Ever wondered how cashew nuts go from tree to your snack bowl? Today, EcoGrow Farms will take you behind the scenes of this journey, from the moment they're harvested to when they're seasoned, unveiling the fascinating steps involved in creating this delicious treat. Cashew trees flourish in tropical climates with sandy or laterite soils. These trees are either grown from seeds or grafts, and the spacing between them is meticulously planned to maximize growth and yield. Once established, cashew trees are fairly low maintenance, needing occasional watering, fertilization, and pest control. It takes 3 to 5 years for them to start producing fruits, but once they do, it's an 8 to 12-year journey to reach their peak productivity. The real hard work begins with the harvesting of cashew apples, a process that requires skill and care. Each cashew apple contains a nut encased in a shell, and inside that shell is a caustic liquid that demands careful handling. This labor-intensive process is vital to ensuring the quality of the final cashew nut. Once harvested, the nuts are laid out under the sun to dry. This is a critical step in post-harvest processing. Sun-drying helps reduce the moisture content, ensuring the nuts are primed for storage and further processing. This method is particularly popular in regions with ample sunlight. Upon arrival at the factory, massive bags of cashews are unloaded and stored in climate-controlled facilities to preserve freshness. Proper humidity and temperature are maintained to keep the nuts in prime condition until they're ready for the next stage. Cashews undergo a deep cleaning in specialized washing equipment. From rotary washers to conveyor systems, these machines give the nuts a thorough rinse, removing dirt and any other contaminants. Afterward, an optional drying step ensures no excess moisture lingers. Roasting is where cashews truly start to shine. The nuts are roasted at high temperatures, which intensifies their flavor and gives them that crunchy texture we all love. Different roasting times and temperatures can create subtle variations in taste and crunch. Next comes the task of removing the tough outer shell. In smaller operations, this is done by hand with simple nut crackers, but larger factories use machines designed to crack the shells with precision. This process helps ensure the nuts are extracted without damage, preserving their quality. Even in large-scale production, some manual labor remains essential. Peeling the thin skin off the nuts is often done by hand to ensure delicate nuts are handled with care. This manual step allows workers to inspect each nut for quality, making sure only the best reach the consumer. The peeled cashews are graded by size and quality. Mechanical graders are increasingly common due to their efficiency in sorting the nuts. Once grated, the cashews are fumigated with phosphine gas to eliminate pests before packaging. Fumigation ensures that the nuts remain fresh and free of pests during storage and transportation. The cashews are then hermetically sealed in packaging, ready for distribution worldwide. For large-scale distribution, cashews are packed into bulk containers such as sacks or drums. These containers can hold several kilograms or even tons of nuts, making them ideal for wholesalers or food manufacturers. It's a cost-effective way to transport high volumes of cashews. The cashews are then flavored to perfection. They can be seasoned by tumbling them in a rotating drum, spraying them with a seasoning solution, or coating them with a dry mixture. Whichever method is used, the goal is the same: ensuring the seasoning is evenly spread for maximum flavor in every bite. When it comes to retail, vacuum-sealed bags are the go-to. These bags lock in the freshness, extending the shelf life of the cashews. Whether you're buying a small snack-sized pouch or a large family bag, the vacuum seal ensures each nut is as fresh as the day it was packed. Once seasoned, the cashews are portioned into snack-sized packages using automated machines that carefully measure and fill each pack. These convenient, ready-to-eat packs are then distributed to stores, vending machines, and even wholesalers. Cashews aren't just for snacking. They're incredibly versatile and are used to make products like cashew cheese. Blended with water, lemon juice, and nutritional yeast, the nuts are transformed into a creamy, plant-based alternative that's a hit with vegans and foodies alike. Whether eaten as a snack or turned into alternative products, cashews continue to inspire culinary innovation worldwide.